Okay, I just want to make a quick little video showing how I made this shot today at the dock in Westhaven. As you can see from this ambient shot, there are areas of the boat which are a bit dark just due to the colour of the materials used in construction. So what I decided to do was to lock the camera off on a tripod and then walk around and flash various areas of the saloon just to fill in the areas that needed it. So here's a layer where I've just aimed the flash at the two armchairs. On the right there you'll see all the different layers. I'm just going to go through now and switch them on, change them to lighten mode. Lighten mode means that they're only the part of the layer which is lighter than the layer below will be seen. Then I've gone through and added masks, just painting out the bits of the picture that we don't want, like me and the flash. Here you can see I just wanted a little bit of light to show the texture and the colour of the cabinets along the port side of the galley. Then, as you can see, I've added a layer mask and painted out the light and me. Here's another one, just a little bit more colour and fill in on the cabinets and on the couch. And then the mask to remove the flash head and the spill onto the ceiling. This last interior layer is just to throw a little bit of colour into the ceiling. The last few layers are what I've done to remove the view out of the windows and the reflections and things that make it less appealing. We don't want to be parked in a marina. We want to sell a boat to a lovely scene. So here's a layer I bought in from my stock. I've cut out all the windows to reveal it, and then added an adjustment. Oh, sorry, there's a little bit of reflection there, so I've added another little piece there and masked that in. And then I've added an adjustment layer and brightened up that scene just to better reflect what it should be looking like outside. So here's the final result. There's a little bit of tidying up to do, but if you hadn't seen the original, would you even know? Thank you so much for watching.